Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in Smartsheet. Whether you're cleaning up outdated discussions or removing unnecessary notes from your project sheets, knowing how to manage comments efficiently will help you keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Let's jump right into it. First, open your browser and navigate to smartsheet.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your Smartsheet homepage where all your projects and sheets are stored. Now that you're logged in and viewing your homepage, take a moment to browse through your existing files or sheets. You're looking for the specific sheet that contains the comments you want to delete. Once you've located it, click on that sheet to open it. This step is important because comments in Smartsheet are attached to specific rows within individual sheets, so you need to be working in the right place. After the sheet loads completely, scan through your rows to find the one that has the comment you want to remove. You'll notice that rows with comments typically have a small comment icon next to the row number on the left side of the sheet. This icon makes it easy to spot which rows contain discussions or notes. When you find the row you're looking for, click directly on that comment icon. Clicking the comment icon will open up a panel or pop-up showing all the comments associated with that particular row. You'll be able to see the entire conversation thread if there are multiple comments. Now move your cursor over to the right side of the specific comment you want to delete. As you hover over it, you'll notice 3 dots appear. These 3 dots represent the options menu for that comment. Go ahead and click on them. When you click the 3 dots, a small menu will appear with several options available to you. You'll see choices like edit, email, print, and delete comment. Each of these serves a different purpose, but for our task today, we're focused on removing the comment entirely. So simply click on delete comment from this menu, and that's it. The comment will be removed from the row immediately, helping you maintain a clean and relevant discussion thread within your Smartsheet. This process is straightforward and can be repeated for any comment you need to remove across your sheets. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.